Hi my loves! If you follow my channel, you probably know how much I love filming few videos in one go, and today is one of those days. I mean, this video is one of those videos. That's what I meant to say. That's why my makeup look might look familiar, as I am currently reviewing and created this makeup look using a brand new Makeup Revolution Dana Altuwarish. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette that just created this makeup look, and I'm about to finish this makeup look, but I need a little bit of highlighter. So I thought I'm gonna do a quick review tutorial video talking about this collaboration, Makeup Revolution and Dana Altuwarish. I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing, honestly. My mom's name is Dana as well. We call it Dana though, we don't say Dana, but I'm pretty sure it's probably pronounced Dana. I don't know, I'm sorry. Anyways, moving on. If you watch any of my tutorials, reviews, you probably know how much I love Makeup Revolution. And I'll tell you exactly why I do, because it's cruelty free, it's vegan friendly, and it's super affordable, and the quality with every new product I try, every new product we release just goes amazing. Brand, if you never tested out anything from Makeup Revolution, you should. This video I'm testing out Revolution Dana Alturwairsh Strobe palette. It's still sealed in the original plastic thing, so I literally have no clue what to expect. I haven't swatched it or seen it or anything. This, by the way, was sent to me by Revolution. I, for the first time, received the PR package from Revolution, and I am so super grateful. You guys don't even know, so thank you so much, Revolution, if you're watching this. So yeah, so I thought I'm gonna do a review video for that matter. As always, I'm super honest, as I am with all my reviews, no matter if it's sponsored or not. So the same as the eyeshadow palette, the box, the packaging looks so super cute. The rose marble, I absolutely love it. I really hope it's a powder, by the way. It's not a cream, because I already have my everything done. So it's a cream. It might a bit ruin my makeup. So let's hope it's a powder. Alright. This is me seeing it for the first time, by the way. So I'm a bit stunned. Once again, it's exactly the same packaging as the eyeshadow palette, so the see-through top and the rose gold kind of metallic reflective back of it, which I really love because it could be used as a mirror. Alright, you guys, let's open this up and see what we got. Packaging so far, by the way, is humongous thumbs up. I mean, you guys. So we got in here 3 colors. We got light, nearly like a white champagne one. The middle is more, I think, suitable for me, because this might be a little bit too light. This one is for more of a fair skin tones. This one probably more likely to be for me, and this one is for darker skin. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be so versatile and could be used for the eyeshadow as well. Let's do swatches. Let's start from the lightest one. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. This is very dense. Definitely far too light for me. It actually reflects a light. I see loads of green and blue. I'm not sure what you can see through a camera lens, but what I see in the mirror, it reflects blue and green color. Okay, let's go with the middle. I think this one gonna be perfect for my skin tone. Well, at least at the moment. Oh, I like this already. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, you guys, definitely liking this. I like that it has more of a brown tone rather than pink tone to it. And then the darkest one, I think this is for more of a deeper skin tone. What? I love to wear this as my eyeshadow, actually. I am absolutely loving it. What can I say? I think it's gonna be the shortest video you ever watched. This one reflects the light so interesting. Like, none of these picks up any other colors except of what it is on the pan. But this one gets green and blue. Right, I think without any further ado, we should apply some on the face. I don't have any highlighter on yet, especially was waiting to test it out. So I'm gonna go with the middle one as a thing that suits my skin tone the most. Sure what to expect, how it's gonna show up on the face, if it's gonna be super intense or I don't know. Okay, let's go, guys. I mean, I didn't apply much. Wow, You guys, wow. And the brush is not wet and I haven't sprayed the setting spray on yet either. Because if you want your highlighter to pop, spray the setting spray first and then apply the highlighter. But I haven't done that yet. So this is on a dry skin with dry brush. Wow, Revolution with Dana Altuwarish. Good job, guys. In general, I don't know if you guys tried any of the Makeup Revolution highlighters, but all the Makeup Revolution highlighters that I've tried are the bomb, like literally. I like to apply a little bit of a highlighter just in the middle in here, a little bit in the cuticle. Just a tiny bit, don't want to look like I just ran a marathon. So under my brow arch, I think I'm gonna go with this lighter shade. Gonna tell you, a little goes a lot. Alright you guys, I think this is my shortest video I've ever done. The palette is absolute bomb. I love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you already tried this maybe collaboration that Makeup Revolution released, or you would like to try, or if you tried any other Makeup Revolution highlighters or any other products that I should get my hands on it. But talking about this Revolution Dana collaboration, couldn't recommend more. You get 3 highlighters for only £6. Great value in my opinion. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review tutorial video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly guys, I would really appreciate it if you would press the button to subscribe, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao for now guys. Have a good day.